What's going on, guys? Football Cards and Stickers here, and welcome to a 15-pack opening for the Panini Road to UEFA Euro 2016 sticker collection. Each pack contains 5 stickers for the 384 sticker set. So let's get straight amongst it. Here we go. We start off with Daniel Sturridge of Liverpool and England, Wes Hoolahan of Norwich and Republic of Ireland, David Alaba, Bayern Munich and Austria, Brecco and Dusan Tadic, the Saints midfielder there, completes that first pack. On to the second one. We've got Kurtic, Hummels, Plazil, Pukki and Besic. Third pack out. James McLean, Shirokov, Perisic, Kombarov and Hermé completes that pack. Fourth pack out. And here we get Kevin Campbell, Uronen, Tamas, Kern and CR7. There he is, Cristiano Ronaldo of Real Madrid and Portugal. So we got Andre Schürrle, Kerm, Andrea Pirlo, Patrice Evra and Matej Vidra on loan at Reading, of course, as we film this. Sixth pack, Hinteregger, Evra, Pintilli, Klein and Stephen Ward of Republic of Ireland completes that pack. On to the next one. And we got Kavlak, Podolski, Phil Jones, Schürrle, Susic. That completes that pack opening. On to the next pack, and we have Santi Cazorla of the current European champions. Then we have Stevanovic, Okotie, Ljubijankic, I believe, and Fernandez. Got Jakob there, Kevin De Bruyne, of course, Manchester City and Belgium, Medujanin, Claudio Marchisio and Isco of España. On the 10th pack of this 15-pack opening, there's another Belgium. There we have Defoe, Loic Remy, Martin Olsen, Swedish fullback, Kevin De Bruyne again, and Razvan Rat of Romania completes that pack. To pack 11, and we have Derm, Ilic, Sergio Ramos of Real and Spain, of course, Pjanic and Dokal completes that one. Next up, it's Miso Brecco, Mujta, Sen, Ilic, and the big man Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the journeyman striker and talisman for, of course, Sweden. You have Struna, Kadlec, Tim Sparv and Jensen completes that from Norway. 14th pack out, and we have James Milner, Robert Mack, Valter Biesa, Roskvi, Kolarov, Alexander Kolarov of Serbia there, and Manchester City. And the final pack of this 15-pack opening, we get Lucas Vintra, Florian Klein, Peregil Flo, Blaise Matuidi of PSG and France, and finally Adam Lallana of England, of course. So a poor pack, that last pack. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this 15-pack opening. Don't forget to smash that like button as always, and if you're not already a subscriber of the Football Cards and Stickers channel, be sure to click that link in the corner there and hit on subscribe. It's 100% free, and you are notified as and when all the daily videos are uploaded. And of course I'll see you guys all in those videos, but until then, ciao.